Hello everyone and happy Friday! Dear entomologists, today is Friday, May 8, 2020. Yesterday we learned about how insects can have 3 stages in their life cycle, or they can have 4 stages in their life cycle. All insects go through major changes during their life cycle. These changes are called metamorphosis. Let's learn about the life cycle and metamorphosis of a butterfly. Make sure you click on the picture of me so you can see pictures and a video of the butterflies I have been raising. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. I miss you all. Love, Miss Kemmerling. So I would like to jump into the life cycle of a butterfly. And the first stage is the egg. So as you can see here on this leaf, there is a clump of eggs. So if you're outside in nature and you look very closely, you might be able to spot butterfly eggs on a leaf. And here's a picture of what they look like up close. The next stage is the caterpillar. So these are painted lady caterpillars because that is what I raised. So when I had them, they looked like this. But here's a picture of them in nature. They climb up stems of plants and different things like that. So the caterpillars then start to form, which will be the next stage of the butterfly life cycle, the chrysalis. So this is the jar that I had them in, and what they do is they climb to the top and attach themselves, and they start to form this J shape. Scientists call that Jing. They form that to really make sure they're attached to the top because they'll hang down, and then they start to form their hard shell for their chrysalis, which right here is a close-up picture of what a painted lady chrysalis looks like. While they are in this chrysalis, they are going through major changes. They come in as a caterpillar and they come out as a butterfly, which is the next stage in the butterfly life cycle. So these are painted lady butterflies. They look pretty similar to monarch butterflies. They're very beautiful. So let's pull it all together. Here is the egg, which is the first stage in the life cycle. Then it goes to the caterpillar. The caterpillar turns into a chrysalis and undergoes metamorphosis, where it comes out as a butterfly. And then that butterfly lays more eggs, and the cycle just continues, as you know. Here's a video of the painted lady butterflies being released after they finished going through the stages of the life cycle. So sometimes they aren't ready to fly yet, so I have to reach my hand in and very carefully let them crawl onto my hand. I don't want to touch their wings or grab them. And I bring them out into the open air and I wait for them to fly away. Thank you for tuning in to the morning message. Have a great weekend. Bye.